Today's defense news, the highlights. 11th India-Italy Joint Defense Committee meeting held, focus on closer defense collaboration in technology and armament production. India-UK defense talks to focus on jet engines, Indo-Pacific cooperation. Saab establishes new IT engineering and development center in Hyderabad. JSW Steel to invest 50,000 crores for 10 MTPA green steel capacity for European market. Apollo Microsystems bags 75 crore rupees in new defense deals, expands defense reach. Bangalore-based startup selected under NQM launches one of India's most powerful quantum computers. JCBL Group signs MoU with Slovakia to co-develop next-generation combat vehicle technology. In the global highlights, Leidos enhances naval capabilities with CDART undersea naval drone featuring flexible payloads. Russia unveils kamikaze naval drone Marlin to counter enemy drone boats, landing crafts, and naval mines. Hanwha Aerospace to establish joint venture in Poland to counter buy European policies. DARPA program seeks autonomous maneuverable satellites for cislunar domain awareness. The news in detail. The 11th India-Italy Joint Defence Committee meeting held in Rome on April 14th to 15th marked a significant step in strengthening the strategic partnership between the two nations. Indian Defence Secretary Mr. Rajesh Kumar Singh and his Italian counterpart, Secretary General of Defence Luisa Riccardi, co-chaired the meeting, which focused on enhancing defence, security and industrial cooperation. Let's see what are the key highlights of this meeting. First, discussions on maritime cooperation and information sharing arrangements with an emphasis on the trans-regional maritime network. Deliberations were there on regional security dynamics, including the Red Sea and Western Indian Ocean region. A focus on technology and armament production, aligning with India's push for self-reliance in defense manufacturing. One important outcome was the signing of an MoU between SIDM and the Federation of Italian Companies for Aerospace Defense and Security, fostering closer collaboration between the defense industries of both countries. The India-UK defence talks, scheduled to take place on 17th of April in London, will focus on areas like jet engine development and Indo-Pacific cooperation. Discussions will include the selection of jet engines for India's AMCA with contenders from UK, France and the US. Additionally, the talks aim to strengthen maritime engagements, including the potential visit of the British aircraft carrier HMS Prince of Wales to India. Saab announced opening of a new IT engineering and development center in Hyderabad, which will contribute to the firm's global product development in areas like advanced software engineering and mechanical design. The new center, Saab Engineering India Limited, will contribute to Saab's global product development in areas like advanced software engineering, electronic systems, industrial engineering, and mechanical design. Initially staffed with a team of highly skilled Indian engineers, the entity is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, further reinforcing Saab's focus on innovation, cost efficiency, and operational excellence across its global programs. According to Matt Spomberg, Chairman and Managing Director of Saab India Technologies, this facility will not only support the global programs but also support India's aspirations to be a self-reliant defense manufacturing hub. This new entity strengthens Saab's global research and development footprint and supports advanced design and engineering capabilities from India. The center engages in activities such as software development, engineering services, innovation, and R&D, contributing significantly to Saab's and other key customers' products and projects. It offers comprehensive engineering and R&D services, focusing on software system development and technology solutions for the defense, aerospace, and security sectors. The JCBL Group, through its defense arm Airbornics Defense and Space (ADSL), has signed a memorandum of understanding with Slovakia to co-develop and manufacture advanced technologies for next-generation combat vehicles. This partnership was formalized during the state visit of the Indian President to Slovakia. Under this agreement, ADSL will focus on developing critical subsystems for light tanks, future ready combat vehicles, and future infantry combat vehicles. These include turrets, active protection systems, remote controlled weapon systems, and human machine interface modules. All manufacturing will take place in India. Which are the primary defense industries in Slovakia? Let's have a look. Slovakian defense industry includes prominent players like MSM Group, DMD Group, and Constructa Defense AS, which are known for their expertise in military technologies and vehicle systems. JSW Steel is making a significant investment of 50,000 crore rupees to establish a 10 million tons per annum green steel capacity at its Salav plant in Raigad district in Maharashtra. This brownfield project is driven by the European Union's carbon border adjustment mechanism, which mandates reduced carbon emissions for imported goods. The green steel produced at this facility will have one-fifth the carbon intensity of conventional steel, aligning with the global sustainability goals. This investment will span for 3 to 4 years, and JSW Steel plans to scale up its green steel capacity from 4 MTPA to 10 MTPA in phases. Apollo Microsystems, a Hyderabad defense and aerospace company, has secured fresh orders worth 75 crore rupees from DRDO, a public sector unit, and private firms. The company has also emerged as the lowest bidder for contracts valued at 114 crore rupees. Apollo Microsystems is actively expanding its footprint through strategic partnerships with key players like GRSE, Munitions India, and Troop Comforts. These collaborations focus on developing underwater weapons, air defense systems, anti-drone technology, and advanced electronics. The company is also targeting international markets, aiming to scale its offerings and strengthen its position in the global defense arena. Bangalore-based QPIAI, one of the 8 startups selected under the National Quantum Mission, coordinated by the Department of Science and Technology, has announced the launch of one of India's most powerful quantum computers featuring 25 superconducting qubits on the occasion of World Quantum Day, celebrated every year on 14th of April. QPIAI Indus, the quantum computer launched, is the first full-stack quantum computing system in the country and combines advanced quantum hardware, scalable control, and optimized software for transformative hybrid computing. It integrates advanced quantum processors, next-generation quantum HPC software platforms, and AI-enhanced quantum solutions. With this milestone, QPI AI is driving deep science and deep tech innovation across life sciences, drug discovery, material sciences, mobility, logistics, sustainability, and climate action. As part of India's National Quantum Mission, QPIAI is at the forefront of building the country's quantum computing technology ecosystem, national quantum adoption programs, and creating one of the world's largest quantum talent ecosystems. QPIAI is committed to accelerating India's quantum journey, making quantum computing technologies practical, accessible, and globally impactful. The technologies from the company, bootstrapped in 2019, have led to 11 patent applications and generated a revenue of around 1 million rupees per annum. They have also generated substantial capital from the Small Industries Development Bank of India. Now a look at the global news. Leidos, an American leading defense and technology solution provider, has unveiled its latest maritime innovation, the Sea Dart, a high-performance, low-cost, uncrewed undersea vehicle designed to meet the U.S. Navy's and commercial customers' operational needs. Officially announced on 7th of April, Sea Dart is the newest addition to Leidos' growing portfolio of autonomous maritime systems and marks a significant step forward in making advanced undersea capabilities more accessible and mission adaptable. Russia has introduced a new lightweight unmanned surface vessel named Marlin, Developed as a compact kamikaze drone boat capable of targeting enemy unmanned boats, amphibious landing craft, and naval mines. The innovative system created by the Baltic Higher Naval School, named after Admiral Ushakov, reflects the growing importance of unmanned systems in modern naval warfare and Russia's strategic push to counter evolving maritime threats. The Marlin USV comes in two distinct versions tailored for different environments. A riverine variant equipped with a 1.5 kilo explosive charge and a seaborne version carrying a larger 2 kilos warhead. Its compact size enables the deployment of multiple units aboard a single warship, significantly increasing operational flexibility and allowing for mass attacks or swarm tactics against enemy vessels and installations. Due to its expendable nature and lower cost, Marlin provides a practical and efficient solution for neutralizing threats that would otherwise require the use of high value munitions or more expensive platforms. Hanwha Aerospace is stepping up efforts to localize operations in Europe by establishing a joint venture in Poland in a move seen as a direct response to the region's growing push to exclude non European defense firms under the Buy European strategy. South Korea's Hanwha Aerospace and Poland's WB Group have signed an agreement to establish a joint venture for producing guided missiles in Poland. Under the agreement, Hanwha Aerospace will hold 51% stake, while WB Electronics, a subsidiary of WB Group, will own the remaining 49%. The new entity will serve as a local production base for guided rockets used in Chunmoo, a self-propelled wheeled multiple launch rocket system MLRS, focusing initially on 80-kilometer range munitions for the Polish military. In addition to meeting domestic demand, the venture is expected to become a strategic hub for future exports across Europe. The joint venture aims to enhance Poland's defense capabilities and reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. It also includes technology transfer and expertise sharing, strengthening Poland's defense industry while opening new markets for Hanwha Aerospace in Europe. Now, some news from DARPA. DARPA is soliciting approaches for prototype spacecraft that can autonomously navigate and be highly maneuverable in a low lunar orbit (LLO) for cislunar space situational awareness in support of the US Space Force. Multiple other transactions for prototype agreements are expected under the Lunar Essay via Small Satellite Orbiter (LASSO) effort. The goal is an affordable and scalable commercial capability that provides SSA for cislunar space. The usual vision for SSA for cislunar space is to outfit large spacecraft with exquisite optics, an approach that is expensive to build and launch. The LASSO effort is aimed at developing more cost-efficient solutions that involve one or a few small satellites with propulsion capabilities to maintain LLO, to enable the sensor to capture enough measurements of the moon's surface and to navigate autonomously at low altitudes to automatically adjust trajectories. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.